When you book a projector, you will find in the bag some information describing best practice for setting up the projector. Please make sure you read this and make any adaptations that you need to set up the projector correctly. We have a number of Nec V300 series projectors. These are 3000 lumens and have a number of inputs including HDMI, VGA composite for computer inputs, RCA phono, S-video and audio in and out. Turn the projector on by pressing the power button. The focus and zoom are controlled around here. And the multi-controller scrolls not only through the menu options, but also affects the vertical keystoning. And when you've selected a menu option, press enter and then exit to exit the menu. So with the projector turned on, our zoom control and focus can be made at the front of the projector. The source button will bring up the various different input options, so you can select the input that you require. There is a complex menu which offers opportunity to affect the quality of the picture, contrast, brightness, sharpness, etc. Also, you can change the horizontal and vertical keystone. And scrolling through this very same menu, here you can change the orientation and going back to the general menu, you can change the language. Please remember to return this back to English when you have finished. And finally, if you check the info tab, you can see the lamp life remaining and also the lamp hours used. Again, this is useful for if you are intending on exhibiting or installation for a period of time, and you can check there are enough lamp hours for your requirements. To turn the projector off, press the power button once and there will be an on-screen display asking if you want to turn it off or no. Press it a second time for yes and allow the lamp to cool before packing away.